Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. So let's select this hair and I'm just going to color it black here. And then for the fit, I did use some VIP items, but you can use with some without it, I guess. For the top, we're going to use this top first, and then we're going to remove everything except for the details. Then we're going to select this color, and then we're going to add some yellow to it as well here, and then more yellow. Then for the skirt, we are going to use this one. You can use like the trendsetter skirt if you don't want to make the what's it called, details disappear like that, and then add glitter to this one as well. Let me see if I can actually mesh it with this one still. I think I'm just going to do that, and then no bow here, and then I'm just going to color it that green glitter and yellow. And then that green again, I guess. Wait, hold on. Oh, here it is. I'm like, why isn't this turning green? Like this kind of yellow vibe. Okay, let me just stop doing this pose pack. There we go. Super cute. And then for the gloves, you can do VIP, or you can use just this one and turn off the fur in a yellow color. And then for the necklace, I'm just going to use this one in green. And these earrings in green as well. Now, the crown, you can just use this item without the VIP. So this green and yellow. And like you can add the headband to it, or you can combine it with the crown. You do need to make some adjustments though for this. Something like that, or I like it really with the crown, but if you don't have VIP, that's totally fine. I mean, your dress will still look the bomb. So let me just color this first in yellow and green, and I'm just going to make some few minor adjustments, like the littlest adjustments there is out there. And there we go. That is Tiana from Princess and the Frog. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.